And wow! I have a website with an interactive map for malaria community-based prevention studies, and I did nothing. I just used a one-line prompt, very simple, very easy, and that's the result, all made by this SciSpace agent. Hi everyone, if you're a student, a researcher, or anyone who's ever stared at a mountain of PDFs and felt overwhelmed, stick around because SciSpace just launched something big, their AI research super agent. And trust me, it's a game changer. First of all, I already made some videos about SciSpace, so if you don't know exactly what this tool is, you can take a look at them here on my channel. Links are in the description. Second, check the description anyway, because you will find a special link to this new SciSpace AI Research Super Agent and instructions to take advantage of a 40% discount coupon on the purchase of SciSpace Agent's add-on credits. But it's valid only for a limited time, so if you like what you will see in this video, act fast. And by the way, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below, maybe even sharing your research area. I'm really curious to see what do you think of it and your use cases. Yes, because this works for many use cases, and later in this video I will explore some of them. Okay, what is the SciSpace Agent? SciSpace Agent is the first full-stack vertical AI assistant built exclusively for academic research. It's not just another chatbot, it taps into over 280 million paper metadata entries, 50 million plus full-text PDFs, 150 plus integrated academic tools, all from one prompt. You type what you need, for example, let's say deep literature review of Alzheimer's biomarkers, hit go, and this agent instantly searches, analyzes, synthesizes, and outputs results in a single workflow. And as you can see here on this blog post, SciSpace is uniting more than 150 academic tools to save 90% of your research time. Now, why it's so powerful? Because first, it's an all-in-one workflow instead of switching tools for PDF reading, citation, writing, poster design. The SciSpace agent combines them into one smart pipeline. You have the mode Deep Review, a turbocharged query enhancer that filters papers, summarizes findings, and generates a transparent execution log so you always know what it's doing and why. You have live tracking, see progress in real time, searching, filtering, analyzing, all happening step by step on your screen, and it has research-grade depth. This agent can craft full-length manuscripts, complete with citations and formatting and so on, peer review guidance, grant drafts, posters, slides, even patent searches, no extra tools necessary. And what's the difference between SciSpace and other generic AI tools? Unlike general-purpose assistants, SciSpace Agent is vertical, meaning it's purpose-built for academia, not generic text generation. It's a massive scholarly database integrated with many academic tools and deep research to give you credibility, context and speed that other ones like ChatGPT, Manus or GenSpark just can't match. Let's explore very quickly some of the use cases, and these are just some examples because, as you will see, you can really use it for many things. But for example, systematic literature reviews, you can upload your topic and the agent iterates your search, extracts insights, cites properly, delivering structured summaries in minutes. Grant or patent scouting, tell it your idea, get back matching grants or patent priors, or even a draft proposal or landscape overview proposal style. Manuscript and poster wizardry, type a goal, for example, draft methods section, and it auto-writes with academic rigor, builds citations, formats slides or posters, all ready to download. Peer review helper, ask it to critique your draft based on academic standards. It offers review insights like a human would do. Or again, data visualization, from tabular research to charts and infographics formatted for publications or talks. Before showing you an example of how it works, please remember this AI agent is only included in this advanced plan for SciSpace. You have some credits because this is a credits system, and again check on the description because you can find this special link and instruction to get your 40% discount coupon for this SciSpace agent credits. It's valid only for a limited time. Okay, perfect. Now it's the time to take a look at how it works. So let's try something. I want to try something not really easy, so you can see how this agent works into SciSpace. So let's go here on this agent page. Let me paste this prompt. It's quite short. Put all malaria field study locations in Africa on an interactive map. So with this prompt, it should do this research and also create an interactive map. This is pretty interesting. I can also click on this deep search button. As you can see, I have my credits. It will consume some credits depending on the task, obviously, and now I just need to click on this button. As you can see now, SciSpace Agent is working. I will speed up the video, obviously, but if you want, you can also stop the video so you can see exactly what it's doing. Now, the first thing I have are some questions I need to answer, so this agent will have more information to give me what I'm aiming for. In this case, I just choose some of these answers, so what specific aspect of malaria field studies interest you most, community-based prevention programs, then I choose recent studies, the last 5 to 10 years, basic geographic distribution of study sites, and this is made for educational or presentation purposes. And now again, agent is going on with this research. It's creating the plan now. Here you can see all the steps it's taking. And here you can see all the steps it will do, so search for relevant studies and then extract study details, create interactive map and deploy the map website. Yes, because it's also able to deploy a website. This is pretty interesting. It's going on. Now I have this list of papers, and again it's following with this research. Agent is still running here. And in this step, it's creating and deploying the map website. I'm really curious to see this step because this is the final stage. While coding, sometimes it encounters some errors, but it's able to fix them. This is happening with each one of the vibe coding apps lately, so what's important is the final result. And that's it. As you can see, I have a map here. This is just a preview because it's not finished. Now it's implementing the mouse scroll, and as you can see, you can interact with this chat. So this is just to show you what is able to do this SciSpace, obviously. And wow! I have a website with an interactive map for malaria community-based prevention studies, and I did nothing. I just used a one-line prompt, very simple, very easy, and that's the result, all made by this SciSpace agent. This is pretty awesome, and again, it's just one example of what you can achieve with this tool. It's pretty impressive, I will say. It's finalizing this app and this research. And that's it, now it's finished. Wow! Pretty awesome. I also have a recap of all the things it did. I have my key features, the study locations, the prevention studies covered, and so on. Pretty awesome. I'm impressed by this SciSpace agent. Really good. And I want to know, what do you think about it here below in the comments? Write about what would you use it for. In this case, it consumed slightly less than 500 credits, but I have something pretty complicated here. It's not the usual simple research, let's be honest. And this is an example of what you can do with this SciSpace agent. It took about 20 minutes to do all this research, but try to imagine how much time you can save. This is a quick benchmark for the time you can save. Please stop the video and take a look at this, because this is pretty impressive, I will say. If you are serious about researches and this kind of thing, as you may know, you need to be specific, you need to be exact, you need to do a very deep research, and this is a real game changer, I think. I really hope you liked this video. Remember, you can use this AI agent with this advanced plan here on SciSpace. You can find a special link in the description, instruction to get your 40% discount coupon for these credits, and this code is specific for this feature. I have other videos about SciSpace where you can find other discount codes if you maybe prefer to use the premium plan. Anyway, let me know what do you think, give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in the next one.